for the in-person recording feature, we just need to download the Proshort desktop application. And once we jump in, we can go into the meetings tab here, press record now. We can share the screen that we're looking at, or we can turn it off. And all we have to do is press record only audio from here. And then all we need to do in this piece of the meeting is just introduce ourselves and say, hey, this is Ben Foley. I'm the sales director at Proshort. And then from here, once this is done recording, it'll start to process. But what we can also do is jump into our recent meeting, for example. I think it's this one here. And we can view the insights right here. And this will jump us into the Proshort web app and run-of-the-mill stuff that you're used to here around what those recap notes look like. You can ask us questions, as well as now associate this with whatever deal that you're working on and the contacts associated with it as well.